Hey guys, in today's video we're going to learn how to play Take Me to the Mardi Gras by Paul Simon. This is going to be based off the acoustic demo version of the track on the album. I think it just works a little bit better with voice and guitar. It's a relatively tricky guitar piece, but like you play, like the introduction is the same as all of the verses, so we only really have a short snippet to learn, and I will play that for you now. So something like that. I'll just walk you through what I'm doing there. We're playing 5th string open, and then 3rd string at the 2nd fret, and sliding that up to the 6th fret. And then we're going to drop in our 1st finger barring the 1st and 2nd strings at the 5th fret. And we're going to play 5th string, the slide, 3rd string again, and then 2nd, 1st. For the next bit, we're going to play pinky finger and ring finger at the 7th fret of the 2nd and 3rd strings. And then take them off, back into that chord shape we still got. Then we're going to play 5th string open, the 2nd and 3rd together in our current chord shape, then the pinky and ring finger on the 7th fret of the 2nd and 3rd once again. Then 1st and 3rd together. And then the 7th fret of the 1st and 3rd, again with the pinky and the ring finger. So instead of 3rd and 2nd, we're just dropping the pinky so it's on the 1st. And sliding that up to the 9th fret. So you can break that down into the 2 sections. The 1st with a slide, and then the 2nd was kind of ascending run. And then, so all of that's been on an A chord, and now we're coming to an E chord, so we're going to signal that with a pluck of the E string on the 1st beat of the bar, and dropping from the 1st and 3rd strings to the 2nd and 4th strings. And for this section, we're going to play the E string on beats 1 and 3, and on the kind of quavers in between, plucking the 2nd and 4th string. So it's worth just practicing this rhythm. We're actually going to use that rhythm in this way. So for the slide, I'm going down to the 2nd fret, keeping the same chord shape, and then back up again to the 7th. The counting is quite tricky. I recommend just trying to follow along. I'm going to play all of it that we've got so far, just so you can kind of hear it fits together. And that's what we've got. So we do this like the slide thing twice. That's when we move on to the next part. Yeah, it takes a while to get that rhythm down. I recommend just listen to this, listen to the actual Paul Simon playing it, and it's really something you kind of got to feel. It just takes a little while to get. Also, you have a bit of freedom on the timing, especially during the slides. You can do it as quickly or slowly as you like, and add a little bit of expression in that way. So it's not super important to play it strictly on the beat. So yeah, we just landed, like, we just come down here onto the 2nd fret, and now we're going to play this phrase. So that's just the, we're playing it all on the 2nd and 3rd strings. Firstly, 2nd string open and 3rd string at the 1st fret. And then we're coming to both of them at we're then going to play both at the 2nd fret. And then the 2nd string at the 3rd fret, and the 3rd string at the 4th fret. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So again, you just want to practice going back and forth. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and just really kind of get that feeling down. And then we're just finishing off the whole section with this like. So we're going to come back to the second chord shape we used, which is the second and third strings at the 2nd fret, and we're going to be hammering on this second string, and then 3rd string, and then coming to an A chord. And let me just play that first bit one more time. So. And then the little hammer-on I'm playing right at the very end when I'm on this A chord is the 4th string at the 4th fret. Yeah, so just like that. I'll play that all the way through one more time. So that's the intro section, and the useful thing is we can just play the exact same thing over the verse. So, come on, take me to the Mardi Gras, where the people sing and play, where the dancing there's elites, and there's music in the street both night and day. Come on, take me to the Mardi Gras, etc. In the city of my dreams. I'll spare you my singing. But yeah, that's the rough idea, and you can just do that over all of the verses. The only section left is the bridge. That's the part that in the full record, I can't remember his name, but someone's singing like a high falsetto. It's like the, oh, I will lay my burden down, rest my head upon the shore. For that, it's pretty straightforward. We're landing on the D chord, lay my burden down on the down, rest my head upon the shore, keep on the D. And when I wear that starry crown, we go to a C chord. I won't be wanting any more on an E minor, on more. And then there's a little guitar bit. Ba-da-da-ba. You can just kind of play around on the guitar bit, but I tend to do the same bit as the intro. And then maybe like, I don't know, the 5th fret of the 2nd and 3rd string, then 7th fret. Yeah, and that's basically the whole song. So hopefully you found this video useful. If you have any questions, let me know, and have a great day.